Welcome to TradeHappy, a community of traders learning how to be profitable and happy. Today we're going to be talking about why doesn't everyone do Forex trading. There are plenty of positives when it comes to trading and how it can be done anywhere in the world with Wi-Fi and a phone or laptop. Making money anywhere, and why doesn't everyone want to do it? Apart from over 90% of traders losing money, why don't people want to trade Forex? Some of the reasons that I've thought about is either they don't know it exists, they don't want to put the work in to learn it, or they think it's gambling. All of these points, for me, are not reasons to give up on trading or not trade the markets. I think it's something anyone can do, and I think more people should be trading the markets. I'm not saying that most people should dive into a live account right now, but I'm saying it's good to learn how to trade and learn more about the economy. Giving yourself the tools to be able to make money online, anywhere in the world, is a skill that I think everyone should have. It can enable you to be free, and who doesn't want to be free? Other than not knowing it exists, because that's something that you can't really combat, not wanting to put the work into learning how to trade is stupid. If you're not making money, or you're not making as much money as you want to be, or you're not happy with where you are in your job, putting the time in to learn how to actually trade and giving yourself at least a small chance of changing a life is something that everyone should do. If you're really looking to improve, then why not? If you think it's gambling, well, it kind of is. You are risking your money to try and get something back, but you can also see it as a business. A business has expenses to make money, and so does trading. If you treat trading like a business, then it's not gambling and it's something that you can control. You can personally control the amount you risk per trade. So I hope you've enjoyed this video about why doesn't everyone get into Forex trading. 3 really short points there, and just giving my thoughts about why some people don't trade and how I think that you should be trading and how you can learn to trade profitably. If you did like it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Remember to join the Discord community, and I'll see you next week.